matter what it is, just let me know. Even if it's the middle class, just be like, donkey. Hey, there it is. This is what I was working on during class.
Game.
Yes, I uploaded it to the workshop afterwards too. Watch this shit though. Well, it would probably be a good idea to just, you know, bolt that to the ground.
Yeah.
The goal is, like, you see this little thing at the end? That's
Yeah.
called a life syringe. If you hit somebody with that, they immediately gain their life.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if they're in the laser beam. Nicholas, if you want, you can go grab your computer, then I can stream the screen. Buried under all your shit on your desk. Do I just start spawning people? You want the password? Okay, then go get the charger. Nicholas, you're gonna need to get out of here. I need to repair. No.
How do I get rid of stuff?
Oh wait, what the? I'm the laser beam. There we go. Cassandra, do you see what's happening?
Yeah.
He's like getting himself stabbed on the syringe, dying, and then getting launched back into the syringe and bringing it back to life.
Oh no.
That's what this machine is.
I'd honestly rather be dead at this point.
This is why I didn't want you in the room. Oh yeah, watch what it does to this. Well, yeah, you see this guy's like burning to a crisp?
Yeah.
Stab him with the syringe. He's back to life.
My God. Imagine that was real, that syringe.
I mean, honestly, that would be pretty sick. I could just revive his head, too. What? Password? Nicholas, no, you can't play this game. Do you not see what it is? I'm currently on stream. No, Nicholas, it's on You need to go through Steam. Won't fucking kiss and tell. She's on with me though. Well, Nicholas, Mom wants you in bed by a reasonable hour. Cassandra, did you see that? Just brought the
Yeah.
skin back. I just realized something even more devilish that I could do. I mean, besides just doing freaking this. This? That's a bus chair. Do I show you the devilish thing?
Yeah.
See how long this is? Turn this into the blade of the... That way people are getting stabbed with it no matter what. Yeah? He healed him so well he vanished. Like, the original plan was to line this entire thing with life syringes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then me and this guy who honestly looks like Michael Reeves, we were just hanging out. And yeah, we built this. You probably have never heard of Michael Reeves, have you?
Yeah. Like, I don't remember who it is, but I've heard. Wait, let me Google.
Let me Google.
I'll know who it is when I see them.
He classifies himself as the Elon Musk of dumb Filipinos.
You know Michael Reeves.
Jesus Christ. This is what they do. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Wait, where'd the life syringe go?
Wait.
Where'd everything go?
No.
No!
No.
My thingy is broken! Can I not even repair this? No, I'm currently streaming. Guess what happened to the computer? Why? Well, Nicholas, open up Steam. You want to watch this, right? I don't want you in here. Nicholas, I've asked you politely. Don't make me ask rudely. If you want, you can go get the iPad. Me and Cassandra can start like a group thing, and then from there, you just have to mute your mic or something. Because you're a child. It can't be known that you're watching. And also, you need to go to bed soon. How's the ASMR on that end? Just caught you off guard there, didn't I?
Is it? I don't know. I can't really. I didn't even hear any ASMR.
I was slurping ramen. Look, piggyback.
I think I was just setting it. I mean, I don't really think it's.
Multi-back.
Oh my god, the guy who was originally on the Picky Bake. How cute. How do you break somebody in half with your legs?
Time to put them out of their misery.
Some of them are still alive. I don't
What have I done? Whatever.
Hey.
That's all I do. Let me just activate. Activate. Nope. No, that's not gum. That is your face if you don't leave. Cassandra, you ready to hear something blast your eardrums out? Everybody at home, if you're watching this with headphones, turn it up. You ready?
No? Okay, it wasn't that loud to me.
You're right, it wasn't. Damn, I wish I had an auto clicker though. This will probably crash my computer, but it'll be worth it if I can save this replay. See that green glow?
Ooh.
Pretty, right?
Yeah.
Probably should have put someone in there. Right?
Yeah.
Right, I do, Nicholas. Jesus Christ, what happened? Look at that! They're glowing! Oh, they stopped. Break, damn you, Flask. Okay, let's just do everything. Nicholas, it's time for bed. Go switch out of your bathing suit. Yeah, it is.
Today's the day of...
Yeah, Mom and Dad wanted you still in bed by a reasonable hour.
No.
You want to talk to them?
What?
You want to talk to them?
Talk to who?
Mom and Dad.
They should know already it's the day off.
Yeah. Mom told me a reasonable hour.
Nope.
It's already 10:33. Okay then. No stick fight tomorrow. Then you gotta listen to the rules of the house. Didn't really want to do it, but I had to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you ever have to do it? Anything like that? You being trusted with babysitting other people's children?
I babysitted my cousins before.
I mean, that still counts. It's still not, like, directly related to you. Just parallel related.
Yeah. I mean, one of them's 7 and one of them's 2, so.
Even better.
I mean, the one that's 2 loves me. I'm his favorite, so.
The one that's 7 is, eh.
I'm not her favorite, but she enjoys spending time with me. The
She's
thing
like
is,
the whatever phase.
she'll be upset if, like, I don't go over to her house and everybody else does. She'll be like, you miss out on all the fun. And then she'll be upset. And I'm like,
Well,
if I
just
was
show
there...
her one of these. Do you want me to record a kid-friendly one?
No!
You trying to limit my cursing?
No!
Okay, time to play around with a death syringe. Where is it? Ooh, acid. Even better. I'm gonna get high as fuck.
Yeah!
Yeah! Where are the shrooms? No, seriously, I want shrooms. Every time, that gets me. Stop it, Cassandra. That gets me every time with the controller vibrating. Cassandra, watch this. Look into his eyes. Did you see that?
Yeah?
It's freaking crazy, right? Oh, this foot is missing. Oh, because his foot is detached. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wait. Where's the bone eating? I'm coming for your flesh now. I'm coming for your bones, bitch. There you go, dude. I gave you a new dick. Come on, that's funny. Oh, wait, should I turn on expanded gore? I heard that that's a thing. Ha ha! Let's just, clear everything. Let's pull out my acid, my bones, my, not knockout, death. There it is. And then life. You still up? Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Thought I lost you there for a minute.
No, I was
It's either you
answering.
keep spacing out or you're cutting out.
Or I'm just not loud enough. I don't know.
Maybe. I can hear Nicholas thumping around. He's made. Okay, time for your first shot, sir. Would you like it done through the dick or through the ass? The face. Okay, dick. So dick. Oh, I guess you don't have a dick. Okay then. Oh, that doesn't sound good. That's his bones just disintegrating. I'm just gonna rest the life syringe on the back of your head. See if you can recover from this. Cassandra, look, I injected him with bone, death, and skin. He's not losing his freaking bones. That's just bullshit. He's somehow freaking alive.
Just
No.
disintegrated some of them. Maybe not all of them. I don't know.
No, look, he's somehow still alive. I can select his brain. Where is it? Oh, it's gone. Now, life. Oh, he's split in two.
Oh.
Heal the foot. Oh, once you inject him with acid, there's no going back. Oh wait, maybe there is. Holy shit! Look at it! What the hell? He just ejected 2 of the syringes, I think. That or I knocked it out. Foot.
He's
Dude!
alive!
What the fuck? I mean, you're just missing some. Oh my god. Oh, he's still got the bone eating in him. Let's take that out of you, dude. Let's just inject that straight into your arm.
Yeah, your more's not attached to him.
Ready for me to bring him back? Oh no, those were the angels of death. Oh yeah, do you want to see some freaking power?
Ooh!
Test subject. They seem to not like it when they get set on fire. Okay, time to put them out. Not what I was going for. What? Oh. No, what the frick? Swear to God. Okay, let's get our test subjects back up for test 2. This is how sadistic I am, apparently. Got 2 with 1. Nice. I think I injured him with a life syringe.
I mean, you probably can, right?
I mean, I'm gonna do it. No, I can. Dude, I freaking killed him with a life syringe.
Okay, but like, that's also because you're knocking him around with it. You're not like killing him with a meat.
Stab him in the dick. Come on. No, I hit him in the chest. Wait, you ready for me to club him back? got his foot. I got his foot. I'm gonna go catch him off balance. Oh shit, he's dead. Live. Wait, whose foot did I take? It's not
I
him.
have no idea.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Are you still playing Persona? I guess you can say you got defeated.
Oh my god.
You wanna make a dad joke?
I just...
You know how to make them?
Yeah, but not on the spot.
It's where you say something obvious and people hate you for it. Dude, I made him do the worm! Wait, I wonder. Okay, that's deeply embedded into his back. No, let's grab... no. No. No, no. Yeah. You ready for this, Cassandra? Point blank range.
Oh my god.
Will he live?
His head is just completely gone.
Live, damn you, live!
I think you might just need a new syringe too. That one. But...
No, he's good. He's good.
Yeah.
Sir, help me. No, the syringe works. What the fuck? He just split himself in half. The syringe still works, it's just dark. You got something against dark syringes? No?
What?
Dark syringes, because they still work.
Thanks.
Minigun. Ah, crap. I need to put a person in front of that. At this point, it's Mercy, right? Cassandra? Hello?
Hello?
Hi. At this point, it's Mercy, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Do I have water? You ready for this?
Yeah.
What? No. That freaking ball! Okay, where's the sprinkler system? Is it this? Why is it going out? And off it goes. Okay, Sandra, you ready for something demented?
Yep.
You see how they're pretty much almost guaranteed dead?
Yeah.
Heal, 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 heal.
Oh my god.
That's just a pair of legs. How about a head? It's extra springy. Oh, this guy's everything but a head. Don't break him. I need him for science. Ultra strength syringe. Now let's try the pink one. Oh hey! Working like a life syringe. Let's see what it does to... God, there's something in my throat. Maybe it's a dick, but... I don't know. Why is it working like a life syringe? No. It's supposed to do random. When you want it to do something stupid, it doesn't do it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like me. I want to
Well,
be
because
smart.
they're all dead, I guess. Maybe do it on a living person.
No, I'm determined to do it on a dead man. You want an impression of anything yet?
Do an impression of me.
Do an impression of me.
Like that?
No, you don't sound like that. You sound slightly different. So I can't do you. Dude, what the hell? Stab him in the junk. Give him 20 cc's of cock. He's on fire. More. Dude, wake up! Wake up! Jesus Christ. I think that he's still alive. And somehow stronger than before. Lift, push,
Push.
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 Oh. I think that's a lot better.
Yep.
Dude, I think he might actually still be alive. I wonder what that kind of gravity does. Let's see. Nope. Let's try negative. No, let's just hold down the 9 button. Dude, a femur! Cassandra, it's a femur! I think. Is that a femur? I don't know. To you I bestow the pink syringe. Oh, shit. You like my death metal hammer?
Share plan did.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
It's been an hour?
Yeah, I know.
Well, this is going on the first half of the stream, I guess. And there goes the head. Bye-bye! I don't even know what my outro should be yet. Do you have any clue?
No.